Hello friends, I am Dr. Ithisri Swai. Welcome all of you to our MKD education. See, in the previous video already we discussed the definition of differential equation and the solution of the differential equation by variable separable method. Today we will discuss what is the linear differential equation and the solution of this linear differential equation. See here, first we know what is a linear differential equation. Differential coefficient and the dependent variable are not multiplied together and the degree of the differential coefficient must be 1. So, the first criteria of linear differential equation that the degree of the equation must be 1 and the dy by dx or the differential coefficient and the dependent variable are not multiplied together. So, the form of the linear differential equation that is equal to dy by dx plus py is equal to q, where p and q are any function of x. So, if we find such type of differential equation, then this is called a linear differential equation of first order and first degree. So, whenever we find a linear differential equation, now we find the solution of this linear differential equation. So, first we write some steps how we solve this linear differential equation, then we find the problem. Now you see, this is the steps to find the solution of linear differential equation. We write the linear differential equation in the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Then second step, we find a integrating factor which is equal to e to the power integration of p dx. This is called the integrating factor. Then we multiply the integrating factor with the linear differential equation. जो हमने पहले इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर निकालेंगे, वो जो इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर आएगा उसको क्या करेंगे, डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन में हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. फिर मल्टीप्लिकेशन के बाद आफ्टर मल्टीप्लिकेशन the differential equation becomes the differentiation of y into integrating factor is equal to q into integrating factor. ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन के बाद इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर को जो हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, मल्टीप्लिकेशन के बाद हमारा इक्वेशन क्या आ जाएगा, differentiation of y into integrating factor is equal to q into integrating factor. Now last step में जब इंटीग्रेट करेंगे is equal to integration of q into integrating factor with respect to dx. Now you see, ये तो डिफरेंशिएशन है, फिर इंटीग्रेटिंग करेंगे तो ये हमारा आएगा y इंटू इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर इज इक्वल टू द इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ q इंटू इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू dx. सो दिस इज द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ द लिनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. ये हमारा प्रोसीजर है solution to linear differential equation. Now we find a particular problem and you can better understand. तो अभी हम एक पर्टिकुलर एग्जाम्पल लेंगे जो है 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर इंटू डी वाई बाई डी एक्स प्लस 2xy is equal to x cube. Now we bring this differential equation to linear form. That is, we divided by 1 plus x square. So our equation becomes divided by 1 plus x square. We find dy by dx plus 2xy by 1 plus x square is equal to x cube by 1 plus x square. Now you see, now it is in the form of linear differential equation. And what is our p? P is equal to 2x by 1 plus x square. Now we find the integrating factor. It is equal to e to the power integration of 2x by 1 plus x square dx. Now we find the integration. Let 1 plus x square, suppose it is equal to u. So 2x dx, that is equal to du. So now we find the integrating factor. It is equal to e to the power integration of du by u, that is e to the power ln u, and you know e to the power ln u, that is equal to u, and it is equal to 1 plus x square. So we find the integrating factor is equal to 1 plus x square. So our next step, that is equal to the multiplication of integrating factor. So it is 1 plus x square into dy by dx. So now it is equal to into dy by dx plus 2xy, because it is cancelled, and here also it is cancelled. It is equal to x cube. Now after multiplication of the integrating factor, the linear differential equation becomes the derivative of y into 1 plus x square, जो कि हमारा इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर है, इट इज इक्वल टू x क्यूब. Integrating both sides, that is differentiation of y into 1 plus x square is equal to the integration of x cube dx. So the solution becomes y into 1 plus x square, it is equal to the integration of x cube dx, that is x to the power 4 by 4 plus c. So this is the solution of the above differential equation. So we take another example, that is dy by dx plus y sec x is equal to tan x. Now friends, अभी मुझे बताओ तुम्हारा p क्या है? यहाँ sec x. So what is our integrating factor? Integrating factor is equal to e to the power integration of sec x dx. So what is the integration of sec x dx? That is e to the power ln sec x plus tan x. And already we know e to the power ln x, that is equal to x. So our integrating factor becomes sec x plus tan x. So now we multiply this integrating factor to our linear differential equation. So tan x into dy by dx plus y sec x into sec x plus tan x is equal to tan x into sec x plus tan x. Now you see, don't worry about the left side. Always it becomes the differentiation of y. So now we reach at the final step. Now integrating both sides. The integration of differentiation of y into sec x plus tan x, it is equal to the integration of sec x tan x dx plus integration of tan square x dx. Now whenever we find the integration, the left side becomes into sec x plus tan x is equal to, and already we know the integration of sec x tan x dx, that is equal to sec x plus, whenever we find the integration of tan square x, we find it is the tan square x we converted into sec square x minus 1 dx. So it is equal to plus tan x, that is equal to sec x plus, now the integration of sec square x dx, that is equal to tan x minus the integration of dx, that is equal to x plus our constant of integration, that is c. So it is all about our linear differential equation. Now if we find a differential equation, linear differential equation, here it is in the form of dy by dx plus py is equal to q into y to the power n, then this linear differential equation, now it is called the Bernoulli equation. So whenever we find a Bernoulli equation, first we reduce this Bernoulli equation to linear differential equation by substituting z is equal to y to the power 1 minus n. So whenever I substitute this variable in this differential equation, then the Bernoulli equation reduces to our linear differential equation, then we solve the linear. Now friends, you see one example of Bernoulli equation, that is dy by dx plus y by x is equal to xy square. So you see, in the normal linear differential equation, what is the form? That is dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Here p and q are the function of x, but whenever we multiply a factor of y, a function of y to the q, then this equation is named as Bernoulli equation. So first we divide this y term or y function to the differential equation. So now our first step, that we reduce this Bernoulli equation to linear differential equation, that means to this form. Okay. So now divided by y square, the equation becomes 1 by y square dy by dx plus 1 by xy is equal to x. Now in this equation we substitute z is equal to y to the power 1 minus n. What is your n here? It is 2. So we substitute z is equal to y to the power 1 minus 2, that is equal to y to the power minus 1, or it is equal to 1 by y. So in this equation now we substitute z is equal to 1 by y. So if z is equal to 1 by y, then what is your dz by dx? dz by dx, it is equal to the differentiation of 1 by y, that is equal to minus 1 by y square. Again the differentiation of y, that is equal to dy by dx. So whenever we substitute z is equal to 1 by y, remember our dz by dx is equal to minus 1 by y square into dy by dx. So we substitute this in the above equation. Now 1 by y square dy by dx becomes minus dz by dx. So after substitution, our equation becomes minus dz by dx plus z by x is equal to x. Or if I multiply minus sign, then it becomes dz by dx minus z by x is equal to x. Now friends, you see this Bernoulli equation now reduces to our linear differential equation, which is in the form of dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Now p is equal to minus 1 by x. This is our p. So we find the integrating factor. It is equal to e to the power minus integration of minus 1 by x dx. That is, it is equal to e to the power minus ln x, which is equal to e to the power ln x to the power minus 1, that is equal to 1 by x. Now we get our integrating factor, that is equal to 1 by x. Now you multiply this integrating factor. The procedure is same to linear differential equation. So we multiply 1 by x to our differential equation. So multiply the integrating factor to the differential equation. So it is becomes 1 by x dz by dx minus z is equal to x into 1 by x. So now the left side becomes differentiation of z into 1 by x is equal to, here x 1 by x cancel, that is equal to minus 1. Now integrating both sides. So integrate both sides. It is integration of differentiation of z into 1 by x is equal to the integration of 1 into dx. So the integration becomes z by x is equal to the integration of dx, that is x plus c. So here whenever we find the solution, now we substitute z is equal to 1 by y, because previously we substitute z is equal to 1 by y, now we place the value of z, that is equal to 1 by y. So 1 by xy, that is equal to x plus c. Okay. So this is our solution of the linear differential equation, and that is the Bernoulli equation. So remember, in the Bernoulli equation, first we reduce to the linear differential equation, then we find the solution accordingly. So friends, this is your linear differential equation and its solution, and next class we will discuss some important examples for according to our syllabus.